What's going on, everybody? It's your boy RNG Crypto here with you for another video, guys, and this is a very exciting one. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you two IDOs that are coming out very soon, guys, on the Velas blockchain, and I have already mentioned one of these to you. It is BitOrbit. I have a video out on it with the details, guys. Go and check it out. This is coming out on the 2nd of November. The other IDO coming out is going to be a brand new release that I just saw a few minutes ago, and that is Velhalla, a brand new Velas-based metaverse project that is going to be launching both on Velaspad as well as GameZone, guys. This is really exciting stuff. But before we get into it, let me make sure that I hit you with my disclaimer, guys. I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say or do is not to be taken as such. Please make sure that you're always doing your own due diligence and research before you're investing any money in these projects. With that said, let's get right into it.
Welcome, Valonians. There are resources becoming more scarce than the land available on the world's surface. Resources that we believe to be a universal human right, personal privacy, and free speech. However, more and more social media apps are expecting you to play by their rules, even if they never tell you what they are. What if you could free yourself from these shackles and move to a social media platform that is fully decentralized and gives you the anonymity you deserve? This is exactly what inspired the Velas BitOrbit, a decentralized social platform that returns full control to your very own hands. A messenger, social media, and content sharing platform that lets you connect with people around the world on your own terms. Once you go viral on the Velas decentralized BitOrbit platform, there is no one who can shut down your channel. We do not believe in centralized authority. We do not believe in creating a completely new community from scratch. This is why, in BitOrbit, you can import all your contacts seamlessly from other messengers, like Telegram. BitOrbit boasts a built-in crypto wallet, video sharing, secret private groups, and much more. Connect with your contacts on your own terms, without any blocks, deletions, and limitations. Sign up today.
And guys, that advertisement pretty much covers everything that we need to know about what this project is. However, I do recommend that you come and take a look at this website. Let's just briefly skim over some of these things and let you guys get a little more acquainted, guys. So let your followers support you. Monetize your content on a trusted, private, and blockchain-based platform, guys. So essentially, this sort of reminds me, gives me a little bit vibes of sort of like OnlyFans in a way, right? Because you can build a loyal fan base and actually monetize your content. So basically, you could, if you look on this graphic here on the right, you could have like a video of something that you do. In this case, it's like a yoga instruction, and folks would click on that, unlock it by paying VLX or whatever the currency will be in the app. It looks like it will be VLX because, guys, the people that are behind Velas, guys, Velas, the actual blockchain Velas, with the fastest transactions per second. I think it's 75,000 transactions per second, and also an included EVM, an Ethereum virtual machine, meaning that anyone building on Ethereum can easily move their app into the Velas blockchain. These developers are the same people behind BitOrbit, guys, so it's pretty cool to know that, and you would more than likely use Velas actually to make these payments on the BitOrbit app, guys. So how would you start, guys? You would simply take the link of your BitOrbit and add it to your preferred social media, and that will allow people to click on that and have access to your paid content, and you can create paid content with ease. You create a profile to host paid content, and you can see here on the left there's a bunch of media uploads that you can then have listed on your profile. People will click on them and again pay with VLX. You can share your link everywhere, again, social media platforms, tweet it, send it as a message, as an email, whatever the case, guys. There's an embedded chat in here as well, so you can actually have exclusive, or people have exclusive access to you and can chat with you if that's what they're looking for. You can have an embedded crypto wallet. This is pretty cool. There's an embedded crypto wallet that's non-custodial, where you can store and exchange assets, guys, and this app is going to be available to you both on Android and iOS, guys. This is as far as I'm gonna go regarding BitOrbit. I did do more of a deep dive on this in my other video. Go and check that out if you're looking for more information. Otherwise, come and visit this website, go to their Twitter, go to their Telegram, get familiarized with what you're investing in if you do decide to invest in. Again, this is going to be on the 2nd of November on Velospad exclusively. Make sure that you are hopping in there and getting part of those sweet, sweet 100x gains, guys. Let's move on to the next project.
Can you always be mine? Wish that we could be frozen in time before the dust was setting in. Wish our love was frozen in time.
Guys, can we just take a moment to pay respect to Bluezilla and their amazing marketing team, guys? I mean, these videos that they put out, the fact that they're always consistent on all the announcement channels, putting out announcements every single time, looking for little things like trending on CoinGecko, on CoinMarketCap. I mean, all of that adds up. And this is how they're getting 20, 30, 40, 50,000 followers for the projects that they incubate. I mean, I look at their Twitters, I look at their Telegrams, there are always at least 30 plus thousand followers in there, and that's just adding to the amount of X's that we are getting when we are early in these IDOs, guys. But okay, enough on Bluezilla. Let's talk about Velhalla, guys. And Velhalla is a metaverse unlike any other out there on the market. It will allow its users to immerse themselves in a new universe driven by the Velas blockchain. Again, Velas blockchain being a 75k transactions per second fast blockchain where they can perform a wide range of actions, purchase and sell virtual land, outfit highly detailed characters, and more, guys. Let's dive a little more into it. So guys, I am on their Medium. This is their very first Medium article. Again, this is brand new news, so this has just been released. But I quickly want to browse over this. I will leave a link to this in the description. But guys, what is the problem, guys? What is the problem with the metaverses that are out there today? What they're explaining here is, one, guys, the animation, just the graphics themselves are very cartoony-like. It's very hard to really feel immersed or get into it because it just looks bad. I mean, the ones I've been in, I just felt the same way, guys. It looks bad. Two, the ones that are popular, such as what is it, Decentraland, right? It is very popular. There has been great land sales there, and people have made some really good money on there. However, it's on Ethereum, and Ethereum is bogged down. And when you're on Decentraland and you're trying to make some exchanges or any transactions, it costs a boatload of gas fees, guys. So it's very expensive. Remember, Velas is super, super fast and super, super low cost in terms of transaction fees. So in comes Velhalla, guys. It's a combination of Velas and Valhalla. It goes on to say that they have a unique theme, right? It's a decentralized cyber world that's drawing inspiration from the Viking culture as well as the futuristic sci-fi environments. Guys, Velas is actually sponsoring them as part of their $100 million grant program, guys. Velas is doing a $100 million grant for a select number of projects, and Velhalla is one of them. This is going to fast track this project. So we're looking to see fast results over the next few months, and knowing that, guys, is making me really look forward to what's going to happen after this IDO. But let's go in and talk a little bit about more what it is that they're actually looking to provide, guys. They want to provide a user-driven, decentralized environment. And it goes on to say here, Velhalla will allow its users to continue growing and building the environment based on what they are most interested in pursuing. As a decentralized environment, users have the ability to develop their own unique worlds within the metaverse, driving inspiration from the incredible theming of the domain. As with every decentralized environment, there is no one set story progression. Instead, users are able to make the experience whatever it is that they hope to get out of it. And guys, this is so true. A metaverse is all about the people within it, guys. So they're just providing us a world, and within that world, we will be able to have a direct impact on how it creates, how it develops, how it evolves. So that's something I'm looking forward to, especially if it's going to be something really cool, like a twist between or a mix between, the Viking culture and sci-fi. Both of those things I'm really into. Both of those things I know are pretty mainstream across the world. So I'm looking forward to that, guys. But let's go and look at a little bit of the stats that are out here. So guys, we see here that over the past couple of quarters, there's been a huge spike in volume when it comes to NFT sales, guys. And as you know, Valhalla will be a metaverse that's going to have land sales. There are going to be NFTs on there. You're going to be able to build your own characters and also, maybe create shops that where you can sell your own NFTs or services within that metaverse, guys. So keep that in mind. But look at the jump here from quarter 4 of 2020 until quarter 1 of 2021. We've gone from under 100 million to over 1 billion in transactions. Q2 over 1 billion in transactions. I'm sure Q3 will also be over 1 billion in transactions. That's a huge indicator for us to see how much NFTs are actually gaining, or how much tractions NFTs are actually gaining here in the mainstream. So let's talk about a bit about Velas. So as you know, and I've mentioned this in my previous videos, Velas is the fastest EVM chain in the world. Here it says 75,000 transactions per second. Guys, Velas uses the Solana code base and they have built upon it. So they've created, essentially taken the Solana code base, added EVM, and made it a little bit faster and lower cost. You can see here that the instant low cost transactions are 0.00001 dollar. That is amazing gas fees. That's way better than hundreds of dollars or even sometimes thousands of dollars depending on what's currently happening on Ethereum, guys. So something everyone is going to be looking forward to. Not to mention, guys, Velas is fast growing and rapidly onboarding new projects. Alright, and jumping down, guys, to the token allocation. I'm not going to read every single line item here. You can pause the video and look at this for yourself, but I wanted to make sure that you are aware of what you're getting into. But the key thing I want to highlight here is the initial market cap. I mean, 150K, that's just setting ourselves up for some crazy gains right here, especially if you get in early at IDO prices. And moving on to the vesting schedule, guys, we got to keep in mind these are going to be vested projects. Every Bluezilla launchpad typically has some kind of vesting schedule tied to it. We can see here at the bottom, both VLXPad and GameZone are going to have a 10% unlocked at TGE, or token generation, which is essentially when this thing goes live on the DEXs, with a 5-month vesting period afterwards. Keep that in mind, guys. And back to the final slide that I wanted to cover, guys. This is the date that we all want to remember. November 16th is when this thing is going to go live. Guys, I'm going to leave it at this. I hope that the content was good for you. I hope that you're able to take this back and make some good decisions for yourselves, guys. But I am definitely going to be investing, as you know, in every single IDO that's going to come out on any of these Bluezilla launchpads. So I'm looking forward to getting these crazy gains. With that said, guys, I'm going to leave it at that. If you like the content, like the video, hit me with a subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm out.